Plants, often underestimated and overlooked, are the unsung heroes of our world. These incredible organisms form the foundation of life on Earth, providing us with oxygen, food, medicine, and countless other essential resources. They are the silent workers that perform the alchemy of photosynthesis, transforming sunlight into energy and carbon dioxide into oxygen, sustaining life as we know it. Plants come in an astonishing array of forms, from towering trees to delicate wildflowers, adapting to diverse environments across the globe. They have evolved unique survival strategies, such as the ability to thrive in arid deserts or flourish in the depths of oceans. Some plants have even developed intricate mechanisms to capture and digest insects for nutrients, demonstrating their remarkable versatility. Beyond their role in the ecosystem, plants have also played a pivotal role in human history and culture. Agriculture, one of the cornerstones of civilization, is deeply rooted in our ability to cultivate and harness the productivity of plants. The cultivation of crops like wheat, rice, and maize led to the rise of ancient civilizations and continues to sustain billions of people today. Moreover, plants have provided us with medicines that have saved countless lives. From aspirin derived from willow bark to the cancer-fighting compounds found in the periwinkle plant, our pharmacopoeia is filled with plant-based remedies. In addition to their practical utility, plants have enriched our lives through their beauty, inspiring art, literature, and spirituality throughout history. However, plants face numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat destruction, climate change, and invasive species threaten plant biodiversity. The loss of plant species not only disrupts ecosystems but also endangers our food security and the availability of life-saving drugs. As stewards of the Earth, it's imperative that we recognize the vital role of plants and work to protect and conserve them. Through sustainable agriculture, reforestation efforts, and scientific research, we can ensure that plants continue to thrive and provide for future generations. In conclusion, from the air we breathe to the food we eat, their contributions to our well-being, culture, and ecosystems are immeasurable. To safeguard our planet's future, we must appreciate, protect, and celebrate these remarkable organisms that quietly shape our world.